Here's your weather on the 3s.
And we're going to start with a look at the traffic camera this morning. This is Camellia and Settlers Trace. You can see drizzly all across the area. Visibility not great. We got some active rainfall and then some very slick roadways so far this morning. Traffic hasn't been too bad, so you don't have to battle many other drivers out there right now. Again, the usual problem areas are going to be the usual problem areas, but you know, things could certainly be a lot worse. Again, this is going to be the intersection of Camellia and Settlers and gives you an idea of some of the weather that we are looking at. Here in Lafayette, temperatures sitting at about 57 degrees, dew points at 56. You got some light rainfall across the region. Visibility not great. Again, the drive to work today certainly not going to be as nice as others. We had some pretty rough commutes last week, and that pattern seems to have spilled over into this week. We're on the lookout for some severe weather today. Isolated chances for some severe weather. A marginal risk is going to exist from Lafayette Parish eastwards. Vermilion is going to be included in that, as well as the extreme southeastern corner of Cameron Parish down along the coastline. Tornado watch in effect all along coastal Acadiana today. This is in effect until noon. We're keeping a close eye on all of the thunderstorms as they develop because the winds are right to see them start to rotate maybe a little bit. Haven't seen any rotation just yet. Been keeping a close eye on the radar so far this morning. We have had an active radar, scattered showers basically all across much of the area. You do have some heavier activity out over towards the north, even though that seems to be lifting out over towards Arkansas. So now we turn our attention down to the south, and that's where these showers and thunderstorms are originating. Everything isolated right now, but look how fast things are moving and how fast things are changing. Getting ready to see some rainfall on the western side of Lafayette as this cell seems to build out westwards a little bit. Church Point here in 5 minutes or so, you're going to see some of those showers work their way through, already pushing its way into St. Landry Parish. Opelousas going to see a little more rainfall, wet conditions up along Highway 190 so far today. And then does look like we continue to see storms develop offshore and push their way into the coastline. Again, these are the ones that we're going to have to watch. Keep an eye out for rotation. That's going to be the biggest issue that we have with the thunderstorms today, would be the capability and possibility of some small isolated tornadoes. 64 degrees for your high today. A rainy start to the week. Clouds are moving in through the course of the day, and the cold going to be moving in tonight. We'll see the winds start to pick up later on. Once that front does move through, the winds will change from the east and they will go from the north at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, getting colder later this week.